We are witnessing in our secretariat is there's going to be a multiplicity of reports emerging.
I'm really glad to be here, Dato'. And I'm looking forward to work with everybody.
I believe the situational analysis reports that will be under review in this workshop will demonstrate the representational of the issues that ABPGM SDG documented.
Farmers reported there is a lack of information from the farmers' organizations about facilities, assistance, lower price inputs and grants that are available for members.
We found there are four themes that are repeating itself: poor infrastructure, environmental policies, and education are some of the things that really affect the B40s.
Fish reproduce in coastal ecosystems, mangroves, seagrass meadows, and coral reefs. These are the three which are most at risk from coastal development, from climate change, from tourism development, from increased tourism.
When we look at social problems, there's the issue of drug use. That's one of the main ones. Prevalent across most PPRs and is traced to wider social issues and deprivation.
Tujuannya untuk menjadikan tapak kawasan untuk pemeliharaan dan juga dibangunkan untuk pembangunan negara dan tumpuan lebih kepada geotourism, pelancongan geologi.
So this condition of dependency during marriage places single mothers in an extremely vulnerable situation when left to manage the family without a main breadwinner.
In terms of orang asal infrastructure and education, commonly reported infrastructure, including health and education facilities, are poorly funded. The issues raised for Baram is poverty and lack of infrastructure.
Programs and policies that we have in place for the young also is affected. It will influence the older person in later life. So this is where you need to look at aging over the life course.